Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the first season, that is the hot dry season. Right. The hot dry season mainly starts in the months of March to May. So before starting these seasons, we need to discuss mainly three things, that is the temperature over the land, the temperature condition over the land, and second one is pressure conditions and wind directions, and third one is rainfall. So these three things we need to know. These three things basically we need to know to understand the hot dry season. So basically hot dry season in India remains March to May, right? So let's start the temperature conditions over the land during the hot dry season or during the summer season. So we can see the temperature as the sun shines over the Tropic of Cancer during the months of March to May. As usual, we know that it is a summer season. So the sunlight or sun shines over the Tropic of Cancer, right? So it is Tropic of Cancer. So it is over Tropic of Cancer. Over Tropic of Cancer, the sunlight will be directly falling, right? And the north of Tropic of Cancer, mainly this height north of Tropic of Cancer. North of Tropic of Cancer, what happens? Experience intense heat. It's not the duration of 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, right? It is of 3 months, right? March, April, May. So it is 3 months. So what happens? The north of Tropic of Cancer will experience intense heat, and thus when there is a high temperature, when there is intense heat, the temperature is high, what happens? Low pressure will be created, right? Low pressure will be created over the land, and the surrounding areas, surrounding over the seas, what happens? There will be high pressure. There will be difference of the temperature. Here in the sea areas, what happens? The temperature will be low as compared to the mainland, right? So what happens? In the mainland, the north of Tropic of Cancer will be having the low pressure due to the intense heat, and below the Tropic of Cancer, that is nearby the sea, these areas, what happens? The temperature difference is found. So surroundings is, as it is influenced by the sea breeze and the land breeze, they will be having the moderate temperature or moderate climate. So they will be having the high pressure. So that is how the high temperature creates low pressure and the low temperature creates high pressure, and with a continuous increase in temperature, right? So this part, continuously the temperature increases. So what happens? March, April, May. So what happens when continuously the temperature goes on increasing? This area, this mainland area, what happens? Continuously it goes on increasing. So Rajasthan experiences 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. This area, Rajasthan experiences 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius maximum. And the central part of India also there is average 45 degrees Celsius. And in South India, 38 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. So what happens? There is difference of temperature is there. In the north, extreme north, you can see 45 degree to 50 degrees Celsius, and then in the central there is 45 degrees Celsius, and in the south of India 38 to 45. So there is a temperature difference is there, right? Temperature difference is there, you can see over there. So what happens? This will be continuously increasing the intensity of the heat. Then as we know that high temperature will be creating low pressure, and low temperature will be creating high pressures. And what happens? The pressure conditions and the wind directions will be changing according to the temperature, right? So now let's discuss about the pressure conditions and the wind directions. So when you discuss about the pressure conditions and wind directions, as we know that high temperature already it prevails in the northern parts of India. So it has already created the low pressure, right? So the low pressure trough develops between third desert and the Chotanagpur plateau. So this area between third desert to Chotanagpur plateau, what happens, there is a low pressure belt is developed because of the intense heat, continuous intense heat. What happens, this area will be, and there will be difference of temperature over the third desert and the Chotanagpur plateau. So the wind starts running towards Chotanagpur plateau, and again when there is difference of temperature, this Chotanagpur wind will be running towards the third desert. So there is a circulation of the this wind, this intense hot wind. That's so during the summer season what happens, there's a dust storms, dusty winds blow due to this reason, that is low pressure, that is trough develops between third desert and the Chotanagpur plateau. Due to that, there is clear circulation of the winds are there. Then again, when you compare the temperature of South India, the South India, what happens, temperature is very cool. So there will be remaining high pressure, they will be remaining high pressure, right? And here it will be low pressure. So this is low pressure due to the high temperature and high pressure due to the low temperature. So as the surrounding seas influences the coastal areas, they moderate, they balance the temperature, right? So basically when we have learned in 9th standard, the wind directions move from the high pressure to the low pressure, right? The cool area to the high temperature area. So that is wind direction will be likewise, right? So now sea to land will be the wind directions, because already in the land there is a low pressure and on over the sea there is high pressure. So the direction of the wind will be from the high pressure to low pressure, right? And in southeast now, as it is very close to equator, what happens, there is now what happens, as there is intense heat over the northern hemisphere, the southeast trade wind will be blowing in southern hemisphere. So what happens, due to the intense heat in the northern hemisphere, these wind, they are likewise they blow, this wind cross ITCZ, they cross, it is nearby the equator, this is equator. So what happened, due to the intense heat, the southeast trade winds will be crossing the ITCZ, that is intertropical convergence zone. They cross it, and when they cross, they blow southwest in the northern hemisphere. So this southeast trade winds that cross the ITCZ due to the intense heat in the northern hemisphere, they change the directions and blow southwest, right? So in the southern hemisphere will be cold season, right? In the northern hemisphere will be summer season or hot season. So there is a difference of temperature. So what happens, the southern hemisphere winds will be coming towards the northern hemisphere. So that how the temperature changes, the temperature makes the winds to direct towards the low pressure area, right? Now let's discuss about, due to the pressure conditions and wind directions and due to the increase of continuous intense heat, there is some rainfall or storms over the mainland, right? So when we discuss about the third point, that is rainfall. Rainfall means during the summer season what happens, due to the low pressure belt and the trough that is built between the third desert and the Chotanagpur plateau. So this area, as it builds the trough means like container, like a path it creates, because there is a difference of temperature. In the third desert, what happens, in third desert it is so much of high temperature because of the sand that is also there, and because this area is bit low temperature as compared to this area, but it is making some difference. So what happens, they turn to circulate, the winds tends into circulation. So what happens, these winds give rise to thunderstorms with strong dusty winds. So sometimes in the states of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, slight rainfall with thunderstorms and dusty winds are very common during the summer season. This is because of the difference of temperature that we can see in summer season beyond the Tropic of Cancer. So this was the few points that we discussed to understand the hot dry season. I hope you might have understood, and to understand better, read the lesson, read the textbook, and so that you will be able to understand more and more elaborately and in better way, right? With this I conclude this video. Hope you have understood, and those who have any doubt, any queries, I have created the group, WhatsApp group. Ask freely, and the notes that I have sent you, PDF notes, complete as soon as possible, right? So any doubt, any queries, please ask in WhatsApp, and hope you have understood everything. All the best. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.